Now you're being recorded.
Now I see the red light.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What is that?
A camera.
Taking video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You're reading my post.
well, you read mine.
No, I didn't.
Oh. Well, you were going to.
No, Blake wanted to.
He did?
Like, what does this mean, right?
He was the one who asked, and I was like, ooh, yeah, and I ran downstairs.
Oh, kitty.
But I wanted to do it just because I'd never...
Yeah, well, go for it. Like, I'll write something if you want to try to decode it.